Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Thursday, December 5. Jamaicans can expect improved roads with yesterday's announcement of a major infrastructure development program.
A total of $500 million has been committed to carry out a set of infrastructure and works program that will be undertaken island-wide and which will include $200 million for road patching and repairs. This work will commence immediately and it is projected to be spent in tranches up to the end of the financial year in 2014.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller says another $130 million will go towards mitigation work and bushing, which will go through to the third week of December. $51 million will be spent on cleaning drains and bushing in some parishes, $70 million will be spent on river training and drain rehabilitation work, and $50 million will be spent on replacing manholes and guardrails. The Prime Minister made the disclosure at yesterday's official opening of the new Kintyre Bridge, which was built at a cost of $100 million under Phase 2 of JEEP. 9 additional vehicles have been added to the fleet of the Transport Authority in a bid to improve its efficiency. The vehicles, which will be used in the operations department of the agency, cost $33.3 million. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, officially handed over the vehicles on Tuesday.
More vehicles will enable the Transport Authority personnel to be able to cover more areas geographically and so assist in keeping more operators along the straight and narrow while facilitating safe roads for our users.
In the meantime, motorists and pedestrians are again being urged to be cautious on the roads during the busy Yuletide season. Statistics from the Road Safety Unit revealed that between January and December 1, 279 persons lost their lives as a result of 247 crashes on the road. Government's effort to grow the economy and create jobs was furthered recently with the opening of Sutherland Global Services Jamaica. The business process outsourcing company is a direct fruit of the 2012 Jamaica Investment Forum. The company has hired approximately 700 University of the West Indies students and 50 Jamaican team leaders to carry out their Jamaican operations. Speaking at Wednesday's official opening, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller called the investment a win-win situation for the parties involved. Meanwhile, Industry Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton welcomed Sutherland's plans to expand its operations to Mandeville.
We will seek to attract only the best ICT BPO businesses to Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, Sutherland Global Services met and exceeded all our expectations and requirements and represents one of the best BPO investments to date in Jamaica.
Amendment to the Cybercrimes Act is to go before the Senate for approval Friday. Passed by the House of Representatives earlier this year, the amendment seeks to strengthen the legislation to effectively criminalize emerging types of cybercrime. It will also put Jamaica on par with international best practices. Science, Technology, Energy and Mining State Minister Julian Robinson says government is pursuing additional initiatives to protect the information and communications technology sector.
We are also putting together a cybersecurity strategy and policy which will guide how we deal with cybersecurity issues. We have gotten some technical assistance from the Organization of American States, and we intend to start that strategy and policy early in the new year.
The minister was addressing a secure software development training workshop recently. And finally, nominations are now open for the Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence. The award is open to persons in the 18 to 24 age group who have excelled in any of the following 10 areas: academics, agriculture, arts and culture, entrepreneurship, journalism, leadership, sport, youth in service, international achievement, and youth work.
We welcome nominations for any young person who is a Jamaican citizen and national who has excelled to a world-class standard.
Members of the public are asked to nominate young persons who have overcome adversity to become high achievers. For example, those from deep rural Jamaica, inner city communities, or young persons living with HIV/AIDS. Nomination forms for the Prime Minister's Youth Awards for Excellence are available at the Ministry of Youth and Culture, Youth Information Centers, or youthjamaica.com. The deadline for submission is January 15, 2014. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.